passing it over to video from camera.
So guys, in a earlier video, I explained how to make these. And I love shaking them, but I have two with me, and I am going to save one for my mom. And hopefully use one on this guy because he used my own on me and then shot me in the butt. So, me and Derek fighting first. Which side do you want? You go that.
Okay. Stop, Matthew.
I'm the referee.
Yeah, we got the referee. Hello, Luna. I think Derek's right there. Yes, he is. Oh, there's Derek. Well, you're supposed to be the referee. Oh, did you get hit?
Yeah. Matthew, here you are. Looks like you go get my grenade, bud. Come on. Try to get in the line. Direct your spot.
I'm not getting shot with a grenade.
That's all right, Matt.
You're putting it on backwards.
No, I'm not. The flail stuff is on your back. Tilt back on your back. Yeah, so I'm like this on the right. Keep that one.
All right. Hi, Derek.
Just got me right in the middle of my chin.
Ouch. See, that's why I don't think I want to play.
You just can't lay down.
You
like
didn't
I
give... Does Matthew have glasses?
Yeah, he's got his own. His are more
Okay.
expensive than these cheap ones, though, so if they break, you might get real mad. Go. Matthew, put my surrender. I can play too.
Oh, no.
Luna. Stop. Luna, over here. Luna, over there. Luna. Over here, come on. Come on, girl. Come on.
You there?
I won't find it. Good girl. Come on, go. Give me the hand and come on.
No.
You're out? I win!
I have a feeling
Oh,
on mine
no.
landed, he didn't say anything. Yeah, out of all those hundreds of BBs that went flying your way, none of them hit you.
You see how Matthew's got the helmet on? That's how you gotta wear it.
This one's a better one. Should fit you pretty nicely.
I just need to unplug
Keep
the
it.
glasses.
No. To protect your forehead. Keep it up like that, but go down. Because you also want to lift your head up a bit here and there.
I think it's over that way.
You can adjust your stock by holding this down. There's 4 settings. Your stock. You
Hey,
can
guess
adjust
what?
it by 4
Music
settings.
stop.
I won by shooting.
You make it further out from a further aim, or you can have it close to the range.
Yeah, I can't tell where it is.
Last time I won, I shot him in the
Pull
calf.
this back into a clip.
I've shot him right in the shin and the butt twice, and
It's already loaded. Once it pulls back,
you don't aim it up.
that means that you have to continue, or just let it roll out.
Okay.
And then you
Mom,
put that down.
you get that side. Nope. Yes. Victor, press
If
side.
you if you want to adjust it, you pull down on this right here, and you can move it, and then you let go. And then you hold this to let it out. It's about to be reloaded. Do you want me to do that for you, and show you how to reload it?
Your game.
No, you can do it for me if it needs to be reloaded. But I'd rather just.
But it does waste 3 BBs at least whenever you put it down. So if you can, if they're clean, you can put them back in. If they're not, put them in a pocket and wait.
Okay.
And you simply do that. But one of the things you'll see, and one of the reasons why I have the pistol as a sidearm, is because reloading makes a lot of noise. This pin right here, there's a gap down there, so you pull this pin down as far as you can until you can't anymore, and you hold it as you shake it back and forth like that, and you'll feed BBs into it. If
And
you
if
look.
you try, you pull this.
It may take a little bit too.
Before you shoot again, you pull this. Okay.
There you go.
Ring a
And then you simply
bell.
put it in like you would a normal gun. But it's,
Ring a bell. Bell, bell, bell.
Yep. It's a bolt action, not semi-auto, so you got to cock it every time you want to fire. If you haven't,
Good
if you
girl.
didn't
It's interesting.
notice. Anyways, guys, get up to this.
Don't shoot unless you watch
That help, that, my God, that camo does help. She's taking her position over there. Luna, baby.
Gotta remember, I'm not a runner.
Oh, you don't need to run. Just as long as you can duck down more. Eyes on the ref. Okay, Leonardo, eyes on the ref. Ready? Fight. You may need to pull the stock out a bit. There's a button you press.
Sure, you found her.
Oh, wait.
Mom looks like a soldier. She does. She looks like Leonardo, don't she? Luna. Hey. Back over here. And keep in mind, you can push as well as you want. And if you get up to one of those pine trees, Mom, that's actually a really good cover because it makes it hard to see the other person. As long as you're able to get down.
Yeah,
and
I'm not a runner.
you don't have to run. These things aren't too accurate. On moving targets, at least. Because you have to aim a slight bit higher, and then you have to aim a slight bit in front of your target. Loader. And you know it whenever it's out, Mom. I'd wait till your kid's shot now. Hey, look, Matthew's exercising.
Oh, you got me.
Victor!
Did he get your hand?
Oh, he got me.
Did you get your hand? Or your arm?
It'll go away
Right there.
after a second. It'll go away after a second. Just give
I
it
know,
some
but
time.
you got me. You shithead.
Now it's Derek. Look at Brett say, Mom, now you get to go against Derek. And that camo really does help. I love that. Look at that.
Yeah,
No,
it-
you won.
it falls down on your face.
I know, I haven't fully attached it yet. It's not permanent.
Can I trade?
Trade what?
Helmets.
That's up to Tristan.
Tristan?
Nope. Move it a bit.
I'm good, right?
There you go.
Are we still recording?
Yep.
You're making an awfully long video.
No, not only 12 minutes so far.
Oh.
Yeah, imagine what my butt cheeks look like after Derek got them.
Yeah.
I need
To your
scratch
position.
I need to scratch my ears real quick.
I didn't get you at all?
Yeah, that's why I feel like he's cheating. You seen that grenade?
No, he's not.
But you seen that grenade, right?
Okay, do you want me to have him pull his shirt up or anything?
Yes. I'll put the camera down. Matthew, shirt and
Edit that out.
shirt and jacket up. We're going to see if you have any marks.
Here, belly.
Yeah, come on.
Turn around. Turn around, Victor.
Belly, chest, and back. Because I can guarantee at least one of those BBs should hit you somewhere. Oh, you're a lucky man to survive a grenade like
Your
that.
arms.
Lucky man, Matthew, lucky man.
Yeah, he is. He's freaking lucky.
Oh, the
Okay.
molds and the scratches. Oh,
Freckles.
wait, my back.
Yeah.
My God.
I
He's
am the
lucky.
luckiest.
He's freaking luckier than Derek.
Well,
I just jumped to the
Oh, and
he's good.
guys, for comparison, Derek shot me once on the crease of my right, but like the crease where your thigh and your butt meet. Shot me on the right crease and then the left crease, and then about 2-3 centimeters below the crotch.
Grenade at Matthew, remember?
And you won't the grenade doesn't leave a mark, but the BB still hit you
Well, duh.
because it's definitely not as strong. Yeah, I was meaning
The
collect
BB
those.
of the grenade did go off.
That's what it does afterwards, guys. Everything's empty and you can gather your pieces, reuse it.
All right.
To your side, Matthew. You can go in front of your trees, but you can't go to the middle ground. Derek, eyes on ref. No. Ready? Fight. Can you hold on a minute? I simply put my wastes into my pocket. And the thing I like about these grenades are I can make them in the middle of a game, meaning whenever we do the battle royale out in the woods, I can make more if I have the supplies and I can regather my shells. I am. the signal about the grenades is good. You want me to go over and listen for a hit marker on him? Excuse you. Camera may have not heard that, but I did. Just continue. If he cheats while I'm around, you know it, because he'll scream. I'll shoot him in the butt.
What?
I'll shoot you in the butt if I catch you cheating. I'd do that, Derek. I'd do that, Mom. I'm said if I catch you cheating. Didn't say you are. Yeah, mostly. Gonna be. Yes? I'm not. I'm just telling him that if I catch him cheating, like if I caught Derek cheating, I'd shoot him in the butt. It's my own personal touch on the no cheating policy. Because usually you just get kicked out of the field. Run along the tree line out here until you get up to that pine tree.
What pine tree?
The one right there.
This one?
Look for him. I can't help you with that, at least.
Oh, I see you.
Nope. I didn't feel a baby shoot me.
You also have to listen for the shot because you may not feel it all the time, Matthew. Yeah, ceasefire, ceasefire. Move back to a more acceptable position. Because Mom's over there, houses are over there.
Can I trade your glasses?
Yeah.
These ones are always fogging up.
Wear them looser. I haven't heard a shot on him. I haven't heard a shot on him yet, Derek. You'd hear a ding if you're close enough. Just go for the headshots if he starts peeking out like he likes to.
A trick. Me a trick, Steve Foxy.
And go.
I know that's a decoy, Derek.
That's actually a World War I strategy. I use that all the time. I am. Moving out of the way, guys. Hear that? My boy just reloaded. Matthew didn't even push. About hit 3 minutes. We're at around 3 minutes. 2 left. If 5 minutes are up before anyone shot, it's a draw. Neither win. Luna. Luna. Hey.
I did not expect you there. Are you an intermediary? No, no, no! No, no, no!
This is my actual view, guys. Further away than it seems most of the time.
Hello! Take a move!
Luna, over there. Go. Over there. Go. Come here. If you're going, come on. Get out of the crossfire, Luna. Come here.
See you!
Come here, baby. Good girl. Pretty baby, ain't she? Yes, she is. Pretty baby.
I saw that one fly!
You hit his gun. That was close. Yeah, it doesn't count as a hit. That's close. He likes aiming for the hands.
Hello!
Walking behind the tree right now. Right there. He's about to run. Time's up.
Time's up!
Derek.
Time's up!
Okay, Mom. Do what? No one. 5 minutes were up. It's a draw. Both lose. Yep. You can have whatever side you want. I've been looking forward to this for a while.
Yeah, I'm taking Jared. I'm taking
Derek.
Jared's gun on, not you. You can have what Matthew's got on.
No, I get my gear all the time.
No, I'm having your helmet.
It's my helmet for a reason. My helmet for a reason. My helmet for a reason. Hey, hey.
What? No.
You're lucky you're my mom and I have a
you're
camera.
lucky I'm playing. So you're
Give
gonna
me my
let me
gear.
have your helmet.
Give me my
Nope.
gear. Okay, I just won't wear one.
Okay.
Dirk. There you go. If you notice, what you can do is you can.
Ow! Cheater!
It wasn't even loaded that time, Matthew.
Cheater!
There's nothing in it that time. I was out.
No, you weren't!
Yes, I was. I had to reload. I reload an empty one, so when I'm reloading, if you come up close, I can pull the trigger and you get scared.
Alright. You better not.
You actually hit me!
Earlier, I know I hit you.
Cheater!
Give me the helmet.
Cheater.
Glasses.
He's a cheater.
Don't be shooting your brother.
What's the point in playing this? After game. Don't shoot him after game. I didn't shoot him. It was empty. It was an empty reload.
Nope.
Hold this back.
kid.
Not very well.
And this is not a very good armor.
Would you like this like that?
Here, I got it, honey.
If you want to switch around though, it's got a button on the back that you pull it downwards.
Also,
It's still recording. So the stuff being on this side? Yeah, it is.
Can't start over the tree line.
yeah, and that's what I used to win versus you and Tristan. Ha ha ha.
You never win against me though.
Yeah, because you were too of a coward.
It's not called cowardice. If I'm charging at you, that's not cowardice. That's called advancing. That's the opposite.
And I call staying still and tricking people.
It's not staying still, it's trying to reload. And I was trying to trick you. The false head, you know, when you hold your helmet
I
up.
know that was a false head.
Yeah, but just try and get your attention for a second. Luna,
Yeah, I yelled, hey, I know that's a false head.
I heard you. Annie, come on. Come on, baby. Luna.
You ready? Go? Yes?
No.
Oh.
Are you peeing? Are you peeing, Luna? Or are you squatting? You peeing or squatting?
Oh, this is gonna be up on YouTube if I didn't make that clear.
Ready?
You might want to pull your stock out. You can't eject the clip without pulling your stock out.
3, 2, 1. I'm spectator, don't try to treat me.
Oh, hold up. Look at this, Mom. I didn't have my magnet.
Still shot.
Are you good? You okay?
Shoot Matthew in the butt.
Come over here for a better view, Derek.
I saw that.
Yeah.
What are you doing? You're not the referee.
No, that's what you do when you're hit.
Bah! 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 Bah!
I actually thought they were getting the one. Look. No.
We're almost at 30 minutes.
Hey, guys.
Derek.
Guys,
Derek.
there you go.
I'm the winner of 2 rounds.
Anyways, guys,
I'm in the leaderboard.
we're going to stop it here. And if you guys want to see more, please
I'm
ask
the
for more.
winner?